Welcome. In this video, we're reviewing the Hlsicnalm dual-axis solar tracker controller. This automatic tracking system is designed to optimize your solar panel efficiency by following the sun throughout the day. Let's dive in. The controller comes in a compact white plastic case. It's lightweight and easy to mount. The dual-axis functionality means it adjusts both horizontally and vertically, ensuring your panels always face the sun directly. Setup is straightforward. The unit includes sensors and a control board. You'll need to connect it to your solar panel array and power source. The tracker uses light sensors to detect the sun's position and motors to adjust accordingly. During testing, the tracker responded quickly to changes in sunlight. On a partly cloudy day, it adjusted smoothly without hunting. The build quality feels durable, though the plastic housing may not be suitable for extreme weather without additional protection. One standout feature is the automatic calibration. Once installed, it requires minimal intervention. The controller also has a manual override for maintenance. Pros: easy installation, responsive tracking, dual axis for maximum efficiency, affordable price. Cons: plastic casing may not be weatherproof and it lacks advanced features like Wi-Fi connectivity. Overall, the Hlsicnalm dual-axis solar tracker controller is a great entry-level option for hobbyists or small-scale systems. It boosts energy output by up to 40% compared to fixed mounts. If you're looking to maximize your solar investment, this is worth considering. Thanks for watching. Check the description for purchase links.